Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about hydrogen fuel cells, a clean and efficient technology that could revolutionize the way we produce and use energy. What are hydrogen fuel cells? Well, they are devices that convert the chemical energy of hydrogen into electricity, without any harmful emissions. The only byproducts are water and heat. How do they work? Let's take a look at this diagram. A hydrogen fuel cell consists of two electrodes, an anode and a cathode, separated by an electrolyte membrane. Hydrogen gas enters the fuel cell through the anode, where it reacts with a catalyst and splits into electrons and protons. The electrons flow out of the cell and generate an electric current, while the protons pass through the membrane to the cathode. Oxygen gas enters the fuel cell through the cathode, where it combines with the protons and electrons to form water. The beauty of this process is that it can be repeated as long as there is hydrogen and oxygen available, producing a continuous stream of electricity. And because there is no combustion involved, there is no pollution or greenhouse gases emitted. But where does the hydrogen come from? Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, but it is usually bound to other elements, such as water or hydrocarbons. To extract hydrogen from these sources, we need energy. This energy can come from renewable sources, such as solar or wind power, or from fossil fuels, such as natural gas or coal. The former option is more sustainable and environmentally friendly, while the latter option is more widely available and cheaper. The challenge of using hydrogen as an energy carrier is to produce it efficiently and store it safely. Hydrogen has a low density and high flammability, which means it requires special tanks and pipelines to transport and store it. However, there are many ways to overcome these challenges, such as using compressed or liquefied hydrogen, metal hydrides, or chemical carriers. What are the benefits of using hydrogen fuel cells? Well, there are many advantages over conventional energy sources. For example, hydrogen fuel cells are more efficient than internal combustion engines or coal-fired power plants, which means they use less fuel and produce more power. Hydrogen fuel cells are more reliable than batteries or generators, which means they have longer lifetimes and lower maintenance costs. Hydrogen fuel cells are more versatile than solar panels or wind turbines, which means they can operate in any weather condition and at any time of day. Hydrogen fuel cells are more scalable than nuclear reactors or dams, which means they can power anything from a laptop to a city. How will hydrogen fuel cells change the world? Well, they have the potential to transform various sectors of our society, such as transportation, industry, and residential. For example, in transportation, hydrogen fuel cells can power cars, buses, trains, ships, and even airplanes, reducing our dependence on oil and cutting down our carbon footprint. In industry, hydrogen fuel cells can provide heat and electricity for factories, warehouses, and data centers squared, improving their efficiency and productivity. In residential, hydrogen fuel cells can supply clean energy for homes and communities, enhancing their comfort and security. As you can see, hydrogen fuel cells are a promising technology that could make our world cleaner, greener, and smarter. They are not without challenges, but they are also not without solutions. The future of energy is here, and it is hydrogen. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on hydrogen fuel cells. See you next time.